Hey guys, it's Larry and TGIF. It is Friday, and you know what that means? It means we're doing a plan with me video for next week. So this will cover the week of February 26th through March 4th, and today I'm going to be using some beautiful graphics. These are free printable stickers from Pink Pixel Graphics, and we'll have a link for her below. But I thought these were just gorgeous, and I can't wait to get started. If you are familiar with my layouts, I use my large Happy Planner as kind of my journal. So I don't put a whole lot of appointments and stuff in here, and I do tend to keep a lot of white space so that I can write and journal and kind of record things for, you know, what's going on. It's kind of like a memory planner without pictures, if that makes sense. So I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I have 3 pages of stickers. I clearly will not be using all of this, but I'm going to pick out some of my favorite highlights and put them down, and let's see how this turns out. So pull up a chair, grab your planner, get a cocktail or your favorite drink, and I'm going to turn on the music and let's have some fun. Guys, so this is pretty much it. This is my layout for February 26th through March 4th. I think it came out really nice. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you would like to get some of these free printable stickers, please visit Pink Pixel Graphics. I'll have a link below. She has amazing artwork. But I'll show you a quick close-up. I usually, in my journal, I will keep track of my weight. I try and weigh myself on Mondays. I will also do my fitness tracking, so I have a little sticker I'll typically use for steps recording, for my hydration tracker for water. I also have a very personalized sticker that I made for myself. I should show you one, but I don't have it. I'll pull that up and I'll put a picture in here. But it tracks my sleep, my vitamins, daily devotional type stuff like that. So that all goes here in my journal. So those are the last pieces that I'll add. But I think it turned out really, really nice. I hope you like it. I hope you had fun. I hope you've got your journal ready for next week, or your happy planner, or whatever you use. Thank you so much for being here with me today. And I want to say, please, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Happy Friday!